What you have tuned in for is another Nguyen exposed.
In the landscape of credit repair, one of the most troubling tactics employed by unscrupulous companies is the targeting of vulnerable populations. These individuals, often facing financial hardship, are lured by promises of quick fixes and miraculous solutions to their credit woes. Consider a single parent struggling to make ends meet, or an elderly person living on a fixed income. These consumers are often desperate for help and may be less equipped to navigate the complex world of credit repair. Scammers know this, and they craft persuasive marketing messages that prey on their fears and hopes, offering them a way out of their financial distress. Nguyen and his company, Pinnacle Credit Repair, has a storied track record for these type of deceptive practices. The consequences of this targeting can be devastating. Vulnerable consumers may find themselves entangled in contracts that are riddled with hidden fees and vague terms, leading to further financial strain. When these companies fail to deliver on their promises, it can leave individuals feeling hopeless and defeated, exacerbating their already precarious situations. Moreover, the emotional toll is significant. Many victims of these scams experience feelings of shame and betrayal, believing they have been taken advantage of at their most vulnerable. This can lead to a deep mistrust of legitimate financial services, making it even harder for them to seek help in the future. In the end, targeting vulnerable populations in credit repair scams not only undermines the financial stability of individuals, but also perpetuates a cycle of exploitation and despair. It is crucial for consumers to remain vigilant and informed, seeking out reputable services that prioritize genuine assistance over profit, ensuring they are empowered in their journey toward financial recovery.